Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make faceless TikTok videos for the TikTok Creativity Program. First, open the InVideo AI website on your browser. Click on the Login button on the top right side. You can join using a Google or Apple account. Select the account and you will be logged in. You can give a topic with detailed instruction. Click on the Explore All Plus option at the bottom and select TikTok Video. You have to create a prompt for the TikTok video. In a new tab, open the Copy AI website. You have to log into your account or try for free. Click on the Try for Free button to sign into your account. Click on Continue with Google for quick signing in. Select the Google account and click Continue. After signing in, you have to customize your experience by telling about yourself. Select the kind of work. For the demonstration, I choose marketing. Click on Next and select the option where do you want to start. Select the Create an AI-powered option and click Next. Tell how you hear about them and select the TikTok option. Click on the Get Started button and you will be directed to the workspace. There are many options on the left side. Click on the chat option. You have to enter the prompt on the video title and press enter. It will give you a detailed reply with captivating titles of the TikTok video. Select and copy any title for your video. You have to paste the copied title into the InVideo AI website prompt. Enter the captivating prompt to create the video. Make sure to add detailed instructions about the video you want to create. After adding the accurate prompt, add the background music. Enter the instruction for the background music, like I add energetic. Select the language and you can add subtle urban humor. Add the additional settings like gender, voice, and the narrator. Select an option for the subtitles from the drop-down list. You can add the watermark text and select any option for iStock. For the last option, click on it and select Use the best audio available. Click on the Continue button and it will start analyzing the video. After a few minutes, it will generate the video according to your prompt. Click on the play button to play the video. You will watch the video with the voice and accent you chose. To set the resolution, click on the wheel icon and select the resolution. Go to the edit button below the video. You can edit your media in this section. Go to the edit script and music option to make changes. If you made changes, then click on the Apply Changes button. You can give the other command below the video to edit. Click on the play button and you will see the video has been generated as per your added command. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.